Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious Jamaican gravy. First, gather your ingredients like fresh aromatics and a good quality stock. Then, we'll focus on building a rich flavor base by sautéing and browning. Next, we'll achieve the perfect thickness and color. Finally, we'll season it to perfection, ensuring an authentic taste that complements any meal. To start, gently sauté finely chopped onion and garlic in a pan until they become translucent and fragrant. This creates a wonderful aromatic foundation. Next, stir in your chosen herbs and spices, such as a pinch of dried thyme or a dash of black pepper, allowing their flavors to bloom. Then, pour in about 2 cups of beef or chicken stock, bringing it to a gentle simmer. For that perfect thickness, create a roux by melting 2 tablespoons of butter and whisking in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Cook this mixture until it turns a rich, golden brown, which adds depth of color and flavor. Gradually whisk this roux into your simmering stock, ensuring no lumps form. Continue to whisk gently until the gravy thickens to your desired consistency. Now for the authentic Jamaican touch. Season your gravy with a 1/4 teaspoon of ground allspice, a 1/2 teaspoon of dried thyme, and a generous pinch of freshly ground black pepper. For an even deeper, richer color, stir in about 1 teaspoon of browning sauce. Taste and adjust any seasonings to your preference. Serve this delicious, homemade Jamaican gravy hot over rice, chicken, or any savory dish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.